To check if your L limit screw is set properly, push the derailleur body while pedaling. If the screw is properly adjusted, it should let the chain go into the lowest gear, but not any further. This derailleur is not adjusted properly. If the derailleur will not go into the lowest gear, turn the L screw counterclockwise. If it goes too far and drops the chain into the spokes, turn the L screw clockwise. Limit screws are usually labeled, but if it is not, shift into the lowest gear. Pick a screw and turn it clockwise. If you see the derailleur move in, you are using the right screw. If it does not move the derailleur, then the other screw is the L screw. To adjust the H limit screw, push the derailleur into the lowest gear. This should leave the cable slack. Remove the cable housing from the derailleur and pedal forward. The chain should now be in the highest gear. If the chain does not go into the highest gear, turn the H screw counterclockwise. If it goes too far, turn the H screw clockwise. Once you have adjusted the limit screws, you can now adjust the cable tension. Start by shifting up and then back down the cassette. If the derailleur does not shift smoothly or struggles to go into a gear, you will need to find the barrel adjuster. The barrel adjuster can be located at the shifter, along a stretch of the cable housing, or at the derailleur. If the derailleur struggles to go up into an easier gear, turn the barrel adjuster counterclockwise. If it struggles to shift into a harder gear, turn the barrel adjuster clockwise. The B limit screw controls the gap between the guide or top pulley of the derailleur and the cassette cogs. There should be about a 6 mm gap for optimum shifting. To adjust the B screw, shift into the easiest gear and notice the gap from the guide pulley and the cog. To make the gap smaller, turn the B screw counterclockwise. To make the gap larger, turn the B screw clockwise. If shifting is still not smooth, you can remove the cable housing from the derailleur and drip some oil on the cable. This will decrease the friction between the cable and housing, making your shifting smoother. Repeat this process with the cable and the cable housing at the shifter.